For over 20 years, SOLIDWORKS has provided world-class tools that enable designers and engineers to bring their ideas to life. SOLIDWORKS provides a powerful, feature-rich toolset used by businesses of all sizes, from the single user right through to globally recognized brands, producing familiar products that we see and use every single day. The product design process often requires a collection of tools for each stage of the design process to help conceptualize, detail, and even communicate your designs. With SOLIDWORKS, these tools come together into one seamless, fully integrated design ecosystem. At the concept stage, we can use sketches to bring ideas to reality on screen, with easy-to-use modeling tools that allow for instant adjustment to get the initial design form just right. Our surface modeling tools allow users to create organic, complex shapes with a high degree of control and accuracy. A master form can be broken down into its individual component parts where the necessary level of detail can then be added for manufacturing, and even add fastening details like mounting bosses, ribs and lip groove features with ease. For moulded components, such as plastic parts, we can check for and add draft angles to faces to ensure they can be manufactured. Designs can even be virtually tested to ensure they are strong and durable and perform as you expected, avoiding having to produce lots of expensive physical prototypes and speeding up the time to get your products to market. Any moving parts can be simulated in real time, allowing you to validate mechanisms and check for and eliminate any potential clashes, all during the design stage. Detailed technical drawings can be created in no time at all, directly from the model, with dimensions, section and detail views, and even fully ballooned exploded views with parts list information, all created automatically, available to export to other business systems. And finally, with SOLIDWORKS Visualize, realistic visuals and movies can be created from the model to help you promote and market your products and ideas without the time and expense of studio photography. If you would like more information on how SOLIDWORKS can help you design better products faster, then please get in touch with Solid Solutions today or visit our website for more information.